Welcome back. Today I'm frustrated and got a mail call. So you might know I started making some patches. So basically I started off by cutting one of these all the way across on both sides, flipping it around and welding it into a wider piece, which matches the width of the torsion bar cross member. And it turned out something like this. So I got the car here and basically have my section cut out, and I was just going right along just fine, getting that in there, starting to get things shaped up, until I realized I cut the freaking wrong end. It goes this way. So now I'm frustrated. And I don't know, I may end up just buying a whole new cross member because they're like, I don't know, $250, $300, and I've wasted I don't even know how many hours cutting this, welding it together, cutting it again, and sitting here just trying to get the shape right. And I think I'm done for today. But I do have a mail call. And today's mail is from Painless Maximum Survival. This is Rob Payne. So he's put a little letter in. Hey dude, love your channel. Keep the vids coming. Cheers, Rob. P.S. I'm out of the bigger, not much bigger stickers, so I'm sending one of the smaller ones. Hey man, I don't mind. It's perfect. This will work and we'll get you up on the board. There we go. Another one of the Texan crews. Hey man, appreciate the sticker. That is a really cool sticker actually. I like the logo. Don't forget, check out all of these other channels. We've got some other stickers up here. Got all kinds of fun channels that have been joining in the whole sticker crew. And I appreciate all of your support as we are growing up here a little bit. Breached that 700 subscriber mark, so thank you guys. I appreciate it. If you want to trade stickers, or if you just want one of mine, shoot me a direct message and give me your address and I'll get one over to you. Got a few more stickers over here, and of course got some over here. These were, this one right here, Straight Six Fan, very first one. So can't forget the rest of these guys. And there's my sticker there that my wife designed. So if you want one, again, just shoot me your address and we can swap or whatever. So anyways, thanks for watching guys. I'm a little frustrated, so I'm going to cut this one short. Have a great weekend. Don't forget, make cool shit.